In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Amazon. By the end, you'll be comfortable finding what you need, adding it to your cart, and checking out with confidence, all while picking the best options for delivery and payment. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. If you already have an account, it helps to sign in so you'll see the most accurate prices and delivery estimates for your address. If you're not signed in yet, that's fine. You can continue browsing and you'll be prompted to log in later during checkout. Next, use the search bar at the top to look for the product you want. Type a clear phrase like wireless mouse or the exact model name if you know it, and press enter. On the results page, you can narrow things down using filters such as price range, customer ratings, brand, or whether the item is eligible for fast shipping. Skimming the titles, thumbnails, and star ratings will quickly show you the most relevant options. When you spot a promising item, click it to open the product page. Take a moment to review the title, price, available colors or sizes, and the estimated delivery window. Check who's selling and shipping the item, either Amazon or a third-party seller, and scan the customer reviews and Q&A for common praises or issues. If you're shopping for something with multiple variants, make sure you select the exact size, style, or capacity you need before moving on. If everything looks good, choose your quantity and click Add to Cart. Some items require you to pick a size or color before the button becomes active, so watch for any prompts. After adding it, you can keep browsing or head to your cart to review. In your cart, confirm the item, variant, price, and quantity. If you're buying a gift, you can select gift options here. When you're ready, click Proceed to Checkout. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be asked to log in now. At checkout, choose your payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, a gift card balance, or other available options in your region. Enter your payment details securely, select your shipping address, and choose a delivery speed that fits your timing and budget. If you have a promo code or gift card, apply it before finalizing. Finally, review your order summary carefully. Items, shipping method, payment, and total, and click Place Your Order. You'll see a confirmation screen and receive an email with your order details and tracking. That's it! You've successfully ordered from Amazon.